Okay, so it happened to me too. See, basically that's what happened with the battery. It got heated, and this thing basically went off. So I tried with the business card thing. I could put it in the one side but not from the other, so I couldn't work this out. And of course I ran out of patience. For sure, my method. You see, it's a little bit out already. That's actually with my method, because the business card didn't move it one bit. Okay, so I'm just going to show what I do. So look, that's basically what I do is like this, like this. Okay. And there you go. Good luck.